It was duly a very enriching experience, I would say, working with Digitize Matrix. I would say I have also gained, lot of learnings and lot of great thoughts, I would say, from Digitize Matrix. Ad campaigns and lead generation campaign, which is very important for any company and any industry, has been done by Digitize Matrix for us. Hi everyone, Shelja Talwar this side from Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. I handle marketing for domestic as well as exports market for Mahindra Farm Machinery in Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. So I would like to actually share my experience out here with one of our beloved partners, Digitize Matrix. So we started working with Digitize Matrix, I remember from the start of last year, which was in 2023. I think from May or June onwards, 2023, we have been collaborated. I mean, Mahindra & Mahindra Farm Machinery and Digitize Matrix have been collaborated. It was duly a very enriching experience, I would say, working with Digitize Matrix, because apart from the knowledge or apart from the work which we have been doing from last 1 year in different domains, I would say I have also gained lot of learnings and lot of great thoughts, I would say, from Digitize Matrix. So it's been really an honor to work with partners like such, who brings such great team on the table to support you from top to the bottom. So Mahindra Farm Machinery normally takes digital front works with Digitize Matrix. We have started working with Digitize Matrix with the onset of campaign ads for our Facebook channel. And then not only restricting ourselves or the works to the campaign ads, we also have been able to take certain other skill sets on the table and on the board for Mahindra Farm Machinery from Digitize Matrix. So one part is definitely the important pillar, handling the entire social media from the back end and planning, executing, monitoring, analysis, keeping the track of entire lead ad campaigns and lead generation campaign, which is very important for any company and any industry, has been done by Digitize Matrix for us from the entire past 1 year very well. That I can definitely take a proud call by appreciating the entire team and thanking the entire team for their support from the top to the bottom. Also, not only this, we also started working in the mid-year when our website has got launched, which was mahindrafarmmachinery.com. The entire search engine optimization, search engine marketing, entire SEO and SEM part is also handled by Digitize Matrix for Mahindra Farm Machinery. And again, a very fulfilling experience, and definitely a very long lead to go in this experience, I would say, with Digitize Matrix. So again, thanks a lot for this particular enriching experience, and whatever goals we have set, be it in digital lead generation campaigns or even in SEO, Digitize Matrix have been able to fulfill every month after the month, optimizing all the resources and optimizing all the, I would say, great innovative thoughts and into the execution part. So that I think I really like the most about this particular team. I would also like to say that this particular team of Digitize Matrix is very enthusiastic. And the foremost thing which me as a person really like, and it's very much reliable as well, is I can totally rely on this team even if I'm calling them for the urgent work. It's very easy to talk to persons. It's not at all difficult to take the persons online on some live sessions, brainstorm, then put ideas on the table and execute, be it any activity we are taking it from them. So the foremost thing which I really like about the entire team is the communication. It's very easy for a partner like us to communicate from the top to even Swapnilji and to the entire team out there. So suppose if I have to contact any person apart from my account manager or apart from the content writer, apart from even Swapnilji, it's very easy to connect with each of them. And I can say, with the entire happiness and appreciation from the entire year, that all the needs, all the requirements, even the targets, all the goals have been really taken care of by this team on the table, and they have left no stone unturned to make and fulfill it to the best extent possible with the optimum utilization of resources, but also from SEO, but also certain other aspects, for example Google ads, for example different ideas we have tried to build on for Mahindra Farm Machinery. So thanks a lot, team. Thanks for connecting with us, partnering with us, and truly proud of the entire team. Thank you.